Today we're going to be doing an oil change in a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a sport model and it is also four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive portion is where it gets a little tricky trying to change the oil because the oil filter location is kind of in a bad spot, but we've got a trick to make that not so messy when getting it out. For this oil change, you're going to need a new oil filter. We have the K&N brand here. Some 5W20 motor oil. We're using Castrol GTX. Some paper towels. You're going to need a 3/8 ratchet, as well as a 13mm socket, a funnel, and last but not least, a 1-gallon Ziploc bag. This is what's going to help not make such a huge mess. Here's where we're going to use the 13mm ratchet to break loose the drain plug on the bottom and drain out the oil into a catch. Here's where you can see what I was talking about when I said that this oil filter is in a bad location. It's up high, directly above all the four-wheel drive components in the front. If you take this thing off, it's going to pour oil all over the frame and everything up here. So it's the reason why we grab the 1-gallon Ziploc bag, so you can kind of cover it up and catch most of the oil before it goes everywhere. Here we're making sure we have good oil pressure after starting the engine. Make sure your truck is in the run position. Toggle over to the oil life management system. Once you find that, it's a matter of just pushing right and holding right until it resets to 100%. And now your engine oil life management system will show 100% and you are good to go. Here is how much oil plus all the oil that's in this filter. If you'd have had to have turned it sideways without the bag, it would have been dumped all over everything and ended up all in your driveway.